There's a short story that I want to share with you, but before that, let's read this verse on James chapter 1 verse 19. It says, "Wherefore, my beloved brethren, let every man be swift to hear, slow to speak, and slow to wrath." There were two students named Carlo and Ben were working together on a project. Carlo accidentally made a mistake and messed up their work. Ben reacted right away. He did not stop to listen or think. He spoke loudly and angrily, saying, "Why are you so careless? You always ruin everything." Ben kept interrupting him. Soon they started arguing and stopped working altogether. Their project was left unfinished and their friendship turned cold. Your words and how you say them can be sharper than a knife or heals more than a medicine. Og maura to, daghang salamat sa pagtan-aw. God bless og padayon.